All right, happy Friday, everybody. Welcome back, and we're going to start off here as we usually do with the exit ticket from what we did yesterday. This one shouldn't be too hard for us. We should do okay here. I'm going to give you 5 minutes. You give your maximum effort for 5 minutes. Do what you can. Do the best that you can, and then we'll see how you did afterwards. All right. Good luck. Have fun. See you in 5 minutes. Teachers, time to pause. All right, we're back. It's been 5 minutes. We did this problem. It's pretty tough, and we're going to go through and see how much of it you got, all right? If you have any victories here, it's a victory. That's what it is, all right? Just want to make sure that you got something written down and that you gave maximum effort for 5 minutes. So here we go. Draw a tape diagram to represent each problem. That's my first step. Use numbers to solve. Second step, and then write your answer as a statement. Okay, so read this next problem, and it says, a mixture of two chemicals measures 1,034 milliliters, period, stop. All right, so they must have this container, and there must be two chemicals mixed in with it, okay? It contains some of chemical A and 755 milliliters of chemical B. How much less of chemical A than chemical B is in the mixture? Okay, well, it looks like I need to find out here how much chemical A there is, because it says some of chemical A. So I got to find out how much is in how much chemical A there is before I can find out how much less of chemical B. So I got to take this and subtract it from that. So the first step I do is right down here and draw a tape diagram to show you. Okay, I'm going to write down, make a tape diagram. The whole thing, the whole container is 1,034 milliliters. Some of chemical A, which I don't know what it is, but I do know 755 milliliters of B. So I just simply subtract this amount from that amount, and I'll end up with 279 milliliters right here, okay? So I do that real quick, and now I know how much of A we have. But my problem's not done yet. What I needed to do now was say, all right, so now I know that chemical A is 279 milliliters. Well, now I need to subtract that from this to find out how much less it is. So down here, I drew a new tape diagram, okay? And that tape diagram says 755 milliliters, which is B, and then A is 279 milliliters. So I got to find out how much less it is. So I look over here and I see, well, 755 milliliters minus the 279 is going to get me 476 milliliters. So I wrote my answer out as there is 476 milliliters less of chemical A. And I should put a period at the end of that because that would be the right thing to do. Okay, so out of all of this, if you've got some piece of it, say you just did one step, say you got started and then you were heading in the right direction, but you didn't quite get to finish it, that's what we're looking for. We're looking for you to grow each day a little bit, all right? It's baby steps. Pretty tough problems, and we love that you gave it a shot, all right? Today is going to be something very similar. We're going to basically do some more tape diagrams. We're going to do some rounding. We're only going to do 2 problems today. So again, your best effort through the whole thing, okay? So let's get set for the I can statement and go from there.